Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's. Today I'm at Five Below and I thought I would see if they had any new iPhone 11 cases, iPhone 11 Max and iPhone 11 Pro Max, or iPhone 11 Pro and iPhone 11 Pro Max. So I thought I would see if they had anything new, and I basically show you all the cases anyway. But I have the iPhone 11, so I'm interested in that. But it looks like they have a few new ones. I like this one, and this one looks cool. I have been preferring like clear cases lately, with maybe a design on it, like those flowers where the rest of it's clear, because that way you could still see the purple in my iPhone 11. So that's kind of what I've been looking for lately. But I don't really like just the plain cases that are just like one color, kind of like that one. You know, it's pretty, but I usually like glitter or flowers or marble or something on my phone that's girly and cute. So then just around the corner, like on an end cap, they have this brand, and they have really cute phone cases, like this one with the polka dots, and they have like a nautical looking one with stripes, and then they have this snake skin print one, and this one with the silver and gold stripes is super cute. And this marble one with like a holographic marble in it is so cute. So this brand is usually not with the other phones. It's usually like around the corner. It's called Candy Couture. And they also have headphones and different cell phone accessories. So I hope you liked shopping with me for iPhone 11 cases at Five Below. I'm going to go back when I think they might get some new ones in. And let me know what other stores you want me to shop at for cases. Subscribe if you're new, and thanks so much for watching.